Extreme Rules match. Approaching the ring, standing at 7 feet tall, weighing 441 pounds, The Big Show. His opponent from Silsbee, Texas, weighing in at 418 pounds, the world's strongest man, Mark Henry.
There's no telling what these competitors will do in Extreme Rules, but I can guarantee we're about to find out. Mark Henry's not budging an inch in this encounter. Reach advantage, though, goes to the Big Show with that massive wingspan. What must Big Show be thinking right now, King?
Well, he continues to climb the ranks here in the WWE. He might be 1 or 2 wins away from facing the world champion, but he's not there yet. He still needs to get those wins. You know what my favorite part of SummerSlam is? The Divas. Every year we get to see Divas in bikini. I love it.
The headbutt. Attack right to the back. He's checking under the ring, possibly looking for an object in this no disqualification match.
Time for a little painting.
I don't think that chair's going to be good for much after this match.
And at this point, what does Mark Henry need to do, King?
Well, listen, we knew this was going to be close. But if he can lash out with one of those signature moves, he'll be right back in this.
Steel and flesh meet once more.
What a night it's been here at SummerSlam, and things only continue to get hotter. Yow!
Oh, wow. And this one's becoming an all-out slugfest. Oh, unloading with the right hand. And he does it one more time.
Oh! Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere. Whoa! Watch out! The announce table's getting torn down. What's he doing? What's he doing with those steps? That'll ring your bell. Now I got a feeling, Michael, that somebody's going to get hurt and get hurt badly in this one.
And the assault continues on the injured torso. Big Show. And the Big Show delivers another devastating knockout blow.
He's breaking down another announce table. I'll tell you, when you face Big Show, you have to work on those legs. I don't know of any other way to beat this giant.
Moving on pure instinct now. What will it take to finish this superstar?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh. There may not be anything on this planet more terrifying Then when the Big Show has the upper hand. Choke slam, driving spine to the ground.
Have you ever been over to Big Show's house? His cereal bowl has a lifeguard. Ouch!
Oh, the punch connects. What a vicious spear.
Big Show's offense kind of looks like a bowling shoe. A size 40 bowling shoe. Uh-oh. Destruction is definitely on his mind again. What's he think he's going to do with that?
He's just brutalizing his opponent with that table.
Big Show has the headlock.
Oh, man. He's got to be out of it. He's in big trouble. Uh-oh. Look where he's going again. He's grabbed a trash can.
When Big Show is motivated to do something, there's not another man in the world that can stop him.
He's very motivated tonight. What a sequence of punches. Something tells me this won't be good.
And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
Oh, no. His hand's wrapped around the neck.
When he hits the choke slam.
What a battle this has been. There's no disqualification, anything goes match.
Big Show into the headlock. And the near 400 pounds comes crashing down.
Uh-oh. Do you see who's coming out? I don't like the looks of this.
He's going on a big right hand. Big Show with the knockout blow.
Hey, he's got the bell. Isn't the bell keeper supposed to... Well, keep that.
Oh, the flesh. Look at the welts. How do you look at Big Show and not show some type of fear?
Oh, yeah. That face could scare Chrome up a bumper. That'll ring your bell. You hear how his leg connected?
That'll do some damage. And a jaw-jacking punch.
Oh, there it is. And that's a shot that could drop a grizzly.
Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one.
Damn. Uh-oh. Destruction is definitely on his mind again. He's got wood. How much more extreme will this match become? There's a table. What in the world's going on?
He does it again. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. Big Show.
Oh, man, he's getting so hard, his kids will be born dizzy.
One. At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, What do I have to do to put this match to rest?
And I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. And we might see someone get assaulted with those heavy steps.
Big Show controlling the head.
Ooh. Oh, man.
What impact! He folded that ladder in half.
He's got him up.
Choke slam. He sends his opponent down to the ground. Big Show.
Oh, again the Big Show with that huge fist.
Oh no, not the steel steps.
Uh-oh, look where he's going again.
And would you look at the face of the world's strongest man?
What a punch! Look out! Headbutt!
In the near 400 pounds comes crashing down. Big Show from behind.
Oh! Did you hear the impact from that headbutt? He's got him! Wow! If he keeps this up, this could be over quick. He's got a crazed look in his eye.
He almost took his head off with that lariat. Ooh. Just a fantastic suplex.
Ouch! Just stepping on the back right on the kidney. Don't tell me he's going to try this. Oh! Oh!
Big Show squeezing down on the head.
That'll cause some damage. Oh, no!
Big Show has the headline. In the near 400 pounds comes crashing down.
Uh-oh, he's still not through.
In the near 400 pounds comes crashing down. Big Show. Big Show into the headlock.
Ooh, that did it. Oh!
Again with the knee. Oh my God!
Did you hear the impact of those steel steps?
And the near 400 pounds comes crashing down.
And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
Oh! That was vicious. He's just brutalizing his opponent.
Dear Lord, those lariats can do so much damage. And again, he gets struck with that object.
Look out! Headbutt!
Oh my, the force behind that headbutt was incredible.
Oh! Ow! Oh, mama!
And the knuckles connect.
Ah!
And the bell rings again.
Look out! Headbutt!
The headbutt. Forget the bathroom scales, Michael. Mitchell has to be weighed on the Richter scale. There's another huge shot.
Would you look at the big show? I've never seen a manhandle like this. Ow! Talk about meeting of the minds.
And here's a cover. One, two,
Three.
Mark Henry gets the win.
Here's your winner, the world's strongest man, Mark Henry.
What an incredible match.
That one could have gone either way. Nobody has anything to be ashamed of in this one.